Tracy.
I'm Laura. We're choreographers and university educators and also business owners.
We developed Ground Grooves together starting in 2014. It started out as an affordable class for professional dancers in LA, and we've expanded to teaching the class material to all levels, from non-dancers to professionals.
After training with super physical, momentum-based floorwork companies and educators, we got injured and sought a lower impact way of moving on the floor.
And so we've adapted these ideas to be softer, more focused on longevity and injury prevention. This also changed the movement texture to be more absorbent, silky, using muscular resistance and more emphasis on articulation.
Something that's important to us as educators is to create an environment where everyone, including ourselves, can experience the movement with a lot of joy and curiosity.
We feel there's a great educational value to this because people are more connected to their authentic movement potential when they're feeling relaxed, safe, and joyful.
Ground Grooves is constantly evolving, taking into account our physical changes, our choreographic interests, and also just us getting inspired by people in the room.
At the center of Ground Grooves is joyful expression and a love of learning.